For another spin. Ooh. Oh, is it there? No reverse barcode. Oh, where's my Rogers? I had the 4 Rogers as well for the jackpot. Oh, for the bells. Yeah. Just realised bulbs out there, look. Oh dear. Ooh, terrible. You know, obviously, you wouldn't usually take that feature, just for fun for the video. Again, just for fun. Ugh. That one is a bit noisy. Your Shogun making that noise. Stop the clock is nice and gently quiet. Sorry, Tone. It's probably going to wake you up. This one's like a rifle. Go on then. I want the nudges. Ooh. I need to think 9. If you could have one of these machines, which one would you have? Would you have the SRU Super 2? Would you have the Scorp 1 Shogun? Or would you have the MBU4 Stop the Clock? If you could choose one of these machines, which would you have? Minimum of 2 required. I got 2. For all the marbles. Well, we just rinsed that, so. I forgot how loud this one is. The flickering is caused by LEDs. There's some LEDs I've not replaced yet, because I prefer LEDs rather than incandescents. Oh, I'm going to hold that as well. Oh yeah. No lemon. Oh, you fucker. Which one's cancel? Yeah, that's cancel. Feeling it. All three of these machines are absolutely fantastic. It's really hard to choose. Now, if you know the machines that I like, you would probably expect this to be the last choice. Well, I may surprise you to say that this is the one I would have. Oops. It's going to go all the way. It's going to go all the way. Don't get scared by any number. And it's going to repeat. Oops, I should have held this. Yeah, I don't know why. Well, I do know why. Speed of play. It always feels happy, even when it's not, with the £2.40 win, 20p stake. It's got quite a few features. You can choose which features to have. So, it works for home ownership. There's little tricks like that. And there's lots of features to choose from. You don't always have to choose the same ones. Did we do 1, 3, 2? Nice sounds. Jackpots galore. Some amazing samples on this machine. My personal favourite, you're probably going to hear very shortly. This is my favourite sample. This is K-Class Rhythm is a Mystery. And it's really good. Can I cancel? Sometimes you can cancel. So what we need to do now is do this. Sometimes with all three below. This sample is of course turning Japanese. And it can kill you. I'm not sure what this sample is. Does anybody actually know? So, let's go for 3, 2, 1. Again, you wouldn't really take that one if you were playing seriously, but for fun. There's actually some quite detailed tricks you can do on this machine. I believe there's ways where you can get the jackpot where the machine doesn't actually see it. It's essentially a free win. So there is ways you can play this as a quote-unquote pro, which is always interesting. Now, a strong case could be made for why this is the machine that is the best one in the room. Because, I mean, this is where it all started, really, isn't it? When it comes to microprocessor unit machines. This is an absolutely joy to play this machine. You got a chance at random nudges, which we've just achieved. You can get nudges by getting 5 and lighting up all your letters. It's just a you can play it for hours on end and not get bored. Almost no other MPU machine can really boast that. You know, a lot less to this one. I mean, I can see obviously I've got 10p, of course I can, but with having a pair, but neither of the others are in view. The grapes, I can see that that one is 3 down, so that's 3. But is the other grape within 4? I doubt it. I think I'll just take the safe oranges. It's a shame I can't even get the bloody 20p. See, I could see the grape was there. Oh! I mean, obviously you should have collected the 40p after having that 80p. Another random nudges. Okay, it's on one. Well, maybe not. Oh, it probably was there. Oh. Yeah. Only got a few beeps. It has sound, but it only has the birth of sound. I mean, to contrast the sound in these 3 machines, there's quite the difference, as I'm sure you can tell. I mean, this one has the pure just beep boops. This one is still beep booping, but this has got polyphonic sounds or something. I don't know what it's called. Those beeps are very different, aren't they? And it's able to play more of a tune. Oh, I accidentally pressed the button there because I can't see, because I've got the room really dark. Again, obviously, normally we play with the lights turned on. I thought for a little bit of a change, let's show off these machines in the dark. It's about 1 in the morning, and I felt like playing some machines, so playing a few of these machines. Sure, most of you know that these are not my machines. The 3 machines, well, 2 of the 3 machines in here I have my eyes on. These 2. I'd like this one, but I haven't got the net worth to compete. Oh, bonus. Well, I can gamble freely. That looks so good, it almost looks like it's on an emulator. That machine is real. It's in front of my actual eyes. You guys are just watching it on a screen. I can't tell you how cool that looks in the dark like this with that light. These machines are just an absolute joy. You either get it or you don't. All tools. Well, what more can we say? We'll round out on this one. And as you notice, the sounds have changed again. We've gone from beat boops to advanced beat boops, polyphonic or whatever it's called, and now we've got full-on samples. and all three have their place, and all three should be celebrated. This machine can make you feel like a champ, and you actually be quite shit at machines, which is, I'm sure most of you guys have worked out by now, I am shit at machines. This machine gives you a good feeling. And when you get on here, it's not a guaranteed jackpot. Sometimes it feels like it because you win so often. Perfect way to round this video off would be with an actual jackpot on this machine. It'd be a banger. It's almost like it's heard me and it wants to. Ooh, on a 6, usually you'd be banking that all day long. Don't worry. Oh, there you go. That was half an hour spread amongst these 3 machines. If you watched the video, please do put in the comments which one would you choose. If you could choose one of these machines, but only one, which would you have? And if you're really feeling like you want to interact, tell me why. Which one would you choose and why? I would choose Shogun because I don't particularly like high-low gamble machines. I find them very predictable, very boring. This machine is not that. It's not predictable and it's certainly not boring. It also plays so well because of the 20p, £2.40. That'd be my choice. Stop the Clock is fast becoming my favourite MP4. So, I mean, yeah, absolutely stunning machine, sounds-wise. Very British, very iconic to me. Really, really nice, in full light and in the darkness. Super 2, it's just an absolute classic. SRU, very, very well balanced game. It's, I mean, wow. It's a really, really good machine. I would probably put it number 3 of the 3 in here, but only based on the fact that these 2 are so good. This is better than all the other machines in the other room. I can pretty much guarantee you. Well, with the exception of Switchback, because that's probably better than all of them. It's a personal opinion, sue me. This one's good. It's, I mean, I'd really struggle to choose between Super 2 and Each Way Shuffle. I forgot that was in here. Bank Chase, definitely better than Bank Chase. Spotlight, definitely better than Spotlight, although I've not played that yet. This one, we'll never play that, it's just going to smashed up. Better than this, 100%. Better than this. Played this a fair bit this evening. Better than this. Yeah, played this a fair bit. I got all the way up to 8 nudges on a spin. It was like a 4, a 4, a 2 and a 4 or something. And I was like, what the hell was that going to be? I got super excited. And the 8 nudges was like £1 or something. I did get £8. I did get the 4 melons. Anyway, yes, I'm just rambling and making the video far too long. As you can see, very dark outside. It's probably bedtime. Well, it's definitely bedtime. But yeah. cool machines. Let us know which one you'd pick. See you in the next video.